Alright, there's a video for 2HD about exercise 62 from chapter 6, and this is about the number of possibilities that you have for something. It says a manufacturer gives all of its products codes consisting of 3 letters. Each letter in the code can be either A, B or C. Now some of the possible codes are ACC, BCA or CCC, and of course there are more codes than those 3. Question A is how many possible codes are there? So let's take a look at that. So I'm going to write down exercise 62A. We're going to make a code consisting of 3 letters. Now for the first letter, you can choose between A, B and C. So you have 3 options. For the second letter, you can also choose between A, B and C. So you have another 3 options. And then here for the third letter, you can also choose between A, B and C. So it's 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 possible codes that you can make like that. Question B, it says how many codes start with the letter B. So the first one needs to be a B. That means we have only one option there. It needs to be a B and not an A or a C. But the other letters can be an A, a B or a C. So this will be 9 codes. You can also calculate B in a different way, because if you know that there are 27 codes in total, you know that 1/3 of them start with an A, 1/3 of them start with a B, and then 1/3 of them start with a C. So this divided by 3 is 9, so 9 codes start with a B. Exercise C. It says here how many codes start with C and end with A. So it has to start with a C. So we have no options there, only one option. It needs to start with a C. And then here we have 3 letters that we can choose from, and it has to end with an A. So you can make 3 codes that start with a C and end with an A. These are, because there are only 3, I can also just write them down, right? We have CAA, we have CBA, and we have CCA, right? So here are all the codes like that. Exercise D says the manufacturer has extended its product line and therefore needs to use an extra letter. From now on, the codes consist of 4 letters and the letters A, B, C, and D are used. How many more codes are there now? So first we had 27 codes. If you just add an extra letter here, but you also add an extra option in your letters, how many codes extra would you have? So here we have, for the first one, we have 4 letters to choose from, A, B, C, or D. And then still 4, and then 4, and then 4. So if you calculate this, it's 256 codes. But the question was, how many codes extra can you make? How many codes do you have more? So we're going to subtract the original amount of codes from it. So we have 229 more. Alright, so that's D. And then we're going to take a look at question E. And question E says, how many 5-letter codes can you make with the letters A, B, C, and D? Alright, so we have we can choose between A, B, C, and D. So we have 4 options, and we need to make a code consisting of 5 letters. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. A shorter way to write it down would be 4 to the power of 5. You can write it down like that if you'd like. And that's 1024 codes. Alright, so this was the answer for exercise 62. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.